Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the left. The S I will put on the right. Next I will put this one go to the left. Now I will put about m equals to this one and n equals to this one. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of m with respect to s. So with this one we just have s to the power of 4. So we just have like this. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. This one we have the s, so we need to do first the derivative of n with respect to y. So we just have only one y in here, and that is about number 1. So we can see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I select about this one plus 3sy, the integration of 4s to the power of 3. We have s to the power of 4. Now we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So that should be like this. So that is about d over dy fsy equals to, we need to do first the derivative of y. So we have number 1 plus d over dy 3sy, and we know that this one equals to this one. Now we need to simplify negative s to the power of 4 for the both sides, and we have like this. So we need to put the integration for the both sides. This one we have y to the power of 3 plus c. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fsy. So fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.